step out. Me say me step out. Step out every whole of them in there. You know, say me put on me pretty clothes come to church. And you know, say when me come to church, me come listen. And me come go up in the church front. So everybody can see say I'm musician. So in the church front, me only see dry foot girly come tell me say pastor say me must go back seat. So we say move yourself, girl. Family know where you come tell me about say go back seat. Tell me pastor come tell me. Oh, and little after me see pastor come we think more thinker. Come we think more come what about say me must go back seat with you. So some people know front seat, side seat, head seat on with them. If I don't see it, if I don't in the church with it. So after me see long neck, that's how you know. Long neck, that's how. Go and listen to everything what pastor tell me say. I said in my visit. We went go check in a freaking visit where we were feeding. I do one mission. Most of the parish jump hallelujah, hallelujah, hallelujah. I'm nearly most. We tell him to have knives. They must go up there, go tell him to have knives. When he did run a church back with the young boy, he never have to say hallelujah. Then a big face one day, we in him. Fancy son. Come what our boss say. Pastor say you did pick up a vaccine long time you do something. I say, Kuya. You would have them the park and you would have them pair up. I know that none of them are married. Everybody pair up. Then pastor himself have three of them. Three of them here for the Kuya I deal with. Three of them woman there. So they can't handle with their foolishness. They folly more than me. Cut I was every folly. They say nearly worse. We sing, we teach in a pastor next thing. So we vex. I don't put on the post the clothes, go listen to music, go praise the God. Go tell myself to go vaccine. You know everything we do. Every time we have bun so something like church. Something. You know everything we say we must go vaccine for. Rock song. So you hear me sing rock song. Then you remember say when you go they don't drink up too. I remember say me I do all the person thing. You better go take out into himself. Remember that. Then better look if God did like a man. If God did like a man, we say the whole church burn down. And guess what? Everybody would have their vaccine. A young one would have maybe their vaccine, a front seat. Would have even miss when they violate that. We see him. He was from Vincent dead. He was one dead. But Vincent dead. We actually feel because sitting and losing looking me. I say, if we didn't give him that much mash up here. But tell you, we know that we can't have what I do so. We know that we can't keep me out. So we know we can't no man go and go like up the page. We don't go love up the page, man. Because we don't go to grandpa speak out. Jamaican grandpa speak out. Jamaican grandpa speaks out. I'm like a page. No company page, I love half a page. Because we can't have a page for now. We have enough more story to tell you now. So I say, come there. Viral. Viral, we say.